I'm good, thank you. I have a show coming up. It's called High Dose, so I'm excited. It's been a tough, long journey. Yes, I started out as a model. I was with a few agencies and I did modeling for a few years, say 4 to 5 years. And luckily, I have worked with some really good brands like Coca Cola, Lakme, Amazon, Samsung. But yeah, eventually you have to establish yourself as an artist. So then I started auditioning for films, and yeah, luckily I did a good story. That was my first film, which is called The Final Exit, opposite Kunal Roy Kapoor. So it's been a tough journey. If I talk about it, it will take me a long time. But yeah. A misconception about beauty industry is beauty is everything. When you're pretty and beautiful, they think it's very easy for you. You can impress people, you can convince people, this is all you need. But I believe beauty is what beauty does. अगर आप सुंदर हैं और आपके अंदर वो टैलेंट नहीं है, वो कन्विंसिंग पावर नहीं है, it's waste. So I think it's all beyond beauty. If Aishwarya Rai was not intelligent and if she was not talented, if she was not this larger than life personality, जब आप उनका इंटरव्यू करते हैं तो आप देख सकते हैं कि उनके हर जवाब में शी सो प्रिसाइज एंड उनका जो आंसर होता है इट शोज़ अ पर्सनैलिटी. तो आई थिंक इट्स बियॉन्ड ब्यूटी दैट वर्क्स. I think everything has pros and cons. I mean, yes, I have worked with some brands, but in reality, trust me, we don't always use those brands. Sometimes you do things for the money, for business, to be in the limelight. कमर्शियल फिल्म्स, बिकॉज कमर्शियल फिल्म्स को ज़्यादा सपोर्ट किया जाता है. अगर आप आर्टी फिल्म करें, अपना जी और जान लगा दे उसमें, यू पुट योर ब्लड एंड ऑल हार्ड वर्क, लेकिन इन द एंड पीपल डोंट अप्रिशिएट, यू नो. लाइक आई हैव बीन अ कथक डांसर. इफ़ आई एम डूइंग अ कथक ऑन स्टेज or if I'm doing Sheila Ki Jawani, trust me, Sheila Ki Jawani is going to get more limelight. But I think commercial is something I would prefer, unfortunately, because this works. I think sometimes, you know, artistic film and arty film, they make you sad, they make you overwhelmed. जब आप देखते हैं ये फिल्में तो आप लाइफ के बहुत क्लोज हो जाते हैं, एंड देन यू स्टार्ट रिफ्लेक्टिंग अपॉन योर ओन लाइफ, you start comparing your own situation to these films, and that's why people, like, if I go to watch a arty film, I become, sometimes these films are depressing क्योंकि उसमें मीनिंग इतना ज़्यादा होता है. These films are very meaningful, so it becomes depressing because you start comparing your own situation, your own life to these films. So a lot of people don't prefer watching these films. उनको चाहिए, you know, feel good, entertaining films. So I don't blame people. If they're going for commercial film and they're going for glamour, I think they want entertainment. That's why they watch it. If I see artistic films, for a couple of days I'm going to be depressed. Though these films are, I have huge respect for these films. But, you know, they are so close to life that I don't know, like, I will not feel good in the end of the day. I will start thinking about, these films are reflection of your personality and life. So these films are less entertaining than commercial. So three people: Aishwarya Rai, I adore her. I love her personality. She is beyond beauty. And I'm going to ask her one question, is that what gym she goes to, because no one has seen her gymming, no one has seen her working out, and she's still very fit. Second person would be Mr. Narendra Modi. कि मतलब आप सोते कब हैं? Literally, I mean, the way उन्होंने इंडिया को जिस तरीके से he has brought India on a global map in the last whatever उनके दो जो he has controlled India from last I think 10 years or 8 years, and the way he's brought changed everything in terms of business and in terms of economy. So basically India is one of the top 3 countries in the world. It comes on the global map, and it's because of the hard work that he's done. You know, the way he travels, the way he does the business deal with different countries. मतलब वो इतना कैसे कर लेते हैं? आप सोते नहीं हैं, आप इतने एक्टिव हैं. So yes, Narendra Modi. And third person would be somebody from. Third person would be Alia Bhatt. I love her. I love her acting. I've already shot with him, or he's a one-take actor, and yeah, he's a national award winner from Marathi film industry. So obviously आप इन ऐसे लोगों के साथ काम करते हैं, ऐसे आर्टिस्ट के साथ who are veteran people जो इतनी सालों से इंडस्ट्री में है, so आप कुछ सीखते हैं. तो yes, I mean उनसे कुछ सीखने को मिला. Hopefully people like us, people like our chemistry, because he's playing a cop in my show, and I'm playing a damsel in distress. So we have it's a very interesting story, so hopefully people like it. Yeah, मुझे ऑफ़र आए थे बिग बॉस से एक्चुअली. दैट वाज 3-4 years बैक. लेकिन मैं लड़ ही नहीं सकती हूँ. मेरी प्रॉब्लम है, मैं रोने लग जाती हूँ, तो मैं क्या करूँगी वहाँ पर जाके ना. मैं किचन में जाके रोने लग जाती हूँ. तो आई कैन नॉट फाइट विद पीपल, दैट्स द प्रॉब्लम. बट बिग बॉस इज़ वन ऑफ द टॉप शोज़ इन इंडिया, एंड जो भी वहाँ जाता है उनकी लाइफ बदल जाती है कुछ हद तक. सो बट द प्रॉब्लम इज़ यू नीड टू बी वेरी strong mentally, and I'm very sensitive, so I don't see myself in Big Boss. Thank you, Filmy Shersha.